Welcome to Road Construction Copilot, the AI-powered bidding platform built specifically for SCDOT highway contractors. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the entire platform step by step, from logging in for the first time all the way to generating a professional bid benchmark report. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use every core feature. Let's get started. To access the platform, go to your dashboard URL and you'll land on the login screen. You have two sign-in options, email and password or Google sign-in, whichever you prefer. Enter your credentials and click Sign In. The platform creates a private, encrypted workspace for each user, so your projects and bid data are always kept separate and secure. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard, your central hub for everything. The sidebar on the left gives you access to all modules. App is your AI assistant, where you can ask questions about SCDOT specifications, materials, or project requirements. Bid is where you manage and prepare your bid submissions. Compliance is your regulatory checklist. It helps you verify your proposal meets SCDOT requirements before you submit. And in the top right corner, you'll always see a small indicator showing whether you're in demo mode or online mode. We'll come back to that in a moment. Let's start a new bid. Click on Bid in the sidebar. Here you'll see all your active projects. To create a new one, click New Project. Fill in the basic project information, the SCDOT project number, project name, location, and letting date. Then start adding your line items. These are the individual work categories in your bid. For each item, you enter the description, unit of measure, estimated quantity, and your unit price. Don't worry about getting every number perfect right away. You can save your progress at any time and come back to finish it later. Everything is stored securely in your account. Now here's where the platform gets powerful. While you're building your bid, you can open the AI assistant at any time. Let's say you're unsure about the correct specification for a drainage item, or you want to know what the typical unit price range has been for milling on similar projects. Just type your question in plain English, and the AI gives you an instant, context-aware answer. You can also switch between demo mode and online mode using the pill in the top right corner. In demo mode, the AI uses pre-built template responses, great for exploring the platform without any API cost. In online mode, it connects to the real Anthropic AI engine for live, intelligent answers tailored to your specific project. Just click the pill to toggle between the two at any time. Benchmark vs SCDOT history. It's just a problem between the demo mode and click the benchmark may feature that sets Road Construction Copilot apart from anything else on the market. Once your bid items are filled in, click the Benchmark vs SCDOT history button. The platform immediately pulls from a database of real historical SCDOT bid results and compares your unit prices, line by line, against what other contractors have submitted on similar projects. You'll see exactly where each of your prices lands on the competitive spectrum. A P50 means you're right at the median. A P25 means you're pricing aggressively. You may win, but check your margin. A P85 means you're pricing high. You may be at risk of losing the contract. The platform highlights any line items that fall outside the competitive range with a risk alert, so you know exactly where to review before submitting. You'll also see a summary of competing contractors who have won similar projects, along with their win rates, so you can benchmark yourself against the right players in your market. When you're satisfied with your analysis, click Export PDF. In seconds, you get a clean, professional report that includes your full bid summary, the benchmark comparison for each line item, risk alerts, and the competitive landscape overview. This report is ready to share with your team, your estimator, or keep on file for future reference. That's Road Construction Copilot, from login to a fully benchmarked bid report in one streamlined workflow. No more guessing. No more leaving money on the table. Just data-driven decisions built for SCDOT contractors. If you have any questions, reach out to our support team. We're here to help you win more contracts. Thanks for watching.